All right, First Alert Action Day continues as the snow falls heavily on the eastern plains. Start to see the bands of heavier snow moving off to the north and east of Denver, but we still have at least another 5-6 hours of snow here before it really tapers off later on tonight. So temperatures dropping, strong winds, snow, slick roads expected. We'll get down to 25 degrees by the time we get to 11 p.m. As far as snow totals, 19 inches and counting at Nederland, 15 at Conifer and Genesee, about a foot at Evergreen, 10 at Monument. Centennial's had about 8. We've had about 6 here, and DIA, 6 inches of snow so far today. This is what it looked like out in Aurora at my house, taken a little bit earlier from my wife Cindy, and the birds were enjoying the bird seed that we left out there, and snow has tapered off just a little bit now, but indeed we have a lot of birds and squirrels out there. Check them out right there. They're definitely enjoying the feast that we left behind. Now, this is what it looks like right now in Akron with blizzard conditions continuing out there, and they're going to have a really rough night out on the northeastern plains. So for today, temperature was 41 for the high, but that was right after midnight. 29 so far has been the low, and we've had 73/100ths of an inch of water out at DIA from this storm, so it is a soggy system indeed. 30 downtown, 29 at the airport. Pressure's rising, winds north at 28, dropping the wind chill to 14 degrees. There's the core of the storm right there, just to the east of Colorado now. Severe storms with tornado watches out ahead of this system. Colder air back behind it. We get the wind and the snow. Fortunately, this low is moving relatively fast, or we'd be stuck with a much stronger storm system and much heavier amounts of snow. But it'll still be windy and cold with very poor driving conditions by morning on the northeast plains. Occasional light snow continuing mountains and foothills. 17 by morning in Denver, 13 at Akron, be 26 at Pueblo, 25 at Salida, 35 out west at Grand Junction. Front range numbers, 13 at Blackhawk by morning, Broomfield at 21. A lot of readings will be in the teens. Cold, windy, slick roads, some snow showers linger tomorrow. During the midday, we'll still have some snow showers, but not nearly as heavy as today. They'll linger even into the evening, and temperatures go nowhere. 32 for a high in Denver, 30 Greeley, Fort Collins, Akron, some 40s to the southeast, and along the front range we'll see those readings mostly in the 20s, mountains and foothills, and around the freezing mark, maybe a little bit warmer than that, a few locations, but not enough to really melt much snow. So tonight, snow, windy, colder, additional accumulations here in the metro, 1 to 3 inches, 17 for a low temperature. Look at those winds, northwest 20 to 40. For tomorrow, it's going to be snow showers and cold, the high of 32. Winds shift around, come out of the southeast at 10 to 15. And there is some good news. It does start to warm up after that, after all this springtime in the Rockies now. 22 Saturday morning, 47 in the afternoon. Sunday's 55. Minor little system on Monday might bring us some rain showers, the high of 58. By Tuesday, back to 65, 62 Wednesday and partly cloudy, and the next Thursday looks more like rain and cooler and a high temperature around 50 degrees.